black color, dark pink color, red color, dark blue color, orange color, sky blue color, purple color, dark green color, light pink color, brown color, yellow color, and light green color. It's now you draw A. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for God. It's now you draw H and use light pink color. H for helicopter, I for ice cream, J for joker, K for king, L for lion, M for moon, and N for nose. It's now you draw O and use purple color. O for octopus, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sun, T for teacher, U for umbrella. It's now you draw V and use orange color. V for vine, W for whale, X for xylophone, Y for yo-yo. The last one is Z for zebra. Red color, yellow color, black color, green color, blue color, and brown color. Kids, now you draw one and use red color. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. It's now you draw 7 and use yellow color. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's now you draw 13 and use black color. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. It's now you draw 19. The numbers of 19 and use green color. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and last one is 24. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.